Good morning to all of you students. You have already read the chapter number 4, A Truly Beautiful Mind, from our book Beehive. This story recounts the life of an outstanding scientific personality, Albert Einstein, from his birth till his death. His theories totally changed our understanding of space and time. Though he was not successful in his family life, his scientific exploits won him the Nobel Prize for Physics in 1921. He was known as a visionary and world class citizen as much as a scientific genius. So, students, you have been given a PDF. You please do the reference to the context and question answers from this. Till then, I'll tell you a quick recap of the chapter again. Albert Einstein was born in 1879 in Germany. His mother thought him to be abnormal because of his large head. During his childhood, Albert did not play with his playmates, means with other children of his age, preferring mechanical toys instead. During his school days, he did not do very well in studies, though not impressing his headmaster and teachers. However, he became a gifted amateur violinist. He left school at the age of 15 due to the strict regimentation, that is due to the strict discipline there. He shifted to Switzerland to continue his scientific studies at the University of Zurich. In the university, he fell in love with a fellow student, Mileva Maric, a Serbian girl. After securing a job, he married Mileva and then they had 2 children. However, their married life was not all that successful life. They divorced after 16 years of marriage. After graduating, Einstein found a stable job as a technical expert in the patent office in Bern. There he continued his scientific experiments side by side. In 1905, he stated his special theory of relativity, which related time and distance, giving rise to the well-known E is equal to mc square equation relating mass to energy. In 1915, he published his general theory of relativity, which resulted in his being awarded the Nobel Prize for Physics in 1921. When the Nazis gained political power in Germany in 1933, Einstein shifted to the USA. When Germany developed nuclear fission, a colleague persuaded Einstein to write the President of USA, Franklin Roosevelt, about the large-scale devastation a nuclear bomb could cause. This resulted in the USA developing its own nuclear bombs and using them on Japan near the end of the war. Shocked by the extent of the destruction caused by these bombs, Einstein wrote to the United Nations to stop the arms buildup by forming a world government. He used his popularity to campaign for peace and democracy during the next 10 years till his death in 1955. He was known and celebrated as a visionary and world citizen as much as a scientific genius. So I hope now you are thorough with the chapter. Students, you will not find any difficulty to answer the questions given in the PDF. So please do your work and update your notebook. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day ahead. God bless you all.